up guys? So I'm back at the same spot from last time, and I'm going to try to catch more crayfish and also going for some bass fishing. You guys can see it. Swimming away right here. Oh, this one is quite smart. Oh, where'd he go? There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, you're so fast, dude. This one has no pincers or no claw. Cat food. I'm gonna set the trap together. Okay. Weeds covering them. Hopefully that provides more shade to the crawfish, so they feel more secure, because they are nocturnal creatures where they are active during the night. So where there's more shades for them, they feel safer to feed on. So that's that, and we're gonna go get some bass. Well, try to fish for some bass. So let's go. All right, we're here. Right here. Look at this part. Bam. Hey, it's not too bad for my first time. Now let's try this out. Okay, I'm gonna try the spinner. I'm gonna try to use the crawfish tail. I'm gonna put this in the water, see if there's any fish that will bite on this. Alright, I finally got a fish on. I saw him took the crawfish, but this fish is so small. Cool. There you go. Oh, nice. I got a fish. Woohoo! Fish, nice. Okay. Oh yeah. Now I got a lot more bait. Catching crawfish with crawfish. Look at them. Big. Ooh. They look hella weird. Ugh. I'm not gonna touch you guys. I'm gonna release you. Man. Oh, I totally missed that. See if I can do that again. See if I can do that again. There we go. Ooh, another baby one. Another baby smallmouth. Yeah, second fish of the day. Catch and release. You're too small. Whoa. Chill. Haha. Hey, stop twitching. Go. Get that. Beautiful baby smallmouth or big mouth. I think it's a smallmouth, right? This is a smallmouth. Tiny smallmouth. Here you go. Swim off. Nice. Fish. Yes. Oh, spit out again. Okay, going to the crayfish trap area. Okay, we're here. Let's see. Let's pull out the trap and see how much we got. I don't see much. Oh, something else is in here. Oh, there are crawfish and some fish. Oh, and a turtle. What the hell? I got a turtle. There are some crawfish and a turtle. What the hell? Check this out, a freaking turtle is in here. Oh Jesus. Oh my god. Yeah, there are some, but oh, this one has a lot more crayfish. Oh yeah. Look at this one. Turtle and crayfish. Look at this. Ooh, how cool is this? Maybe size sunfish. Look at this. It's not just turtle anymore. There's so much of these. Let this guy go.
Maybe I just have to go all the way in. Swim off in, please. Just swim off, please.
So that's pretty successful, as you can see. Get all of these. Oh, my slipper is almost off, or my shoes is almost off. Okay, I'm back now. Just crawling around. Not bad. Okay, so I've put the crawfish into the freezer for like 30 minutes. I think most of them are like stunned or frozen, but some of them are still kicking. But now I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, clean it up. there's a marking on the head here. Just cut this part off because this part has a gill, and the gill is a little bit nasty because that's where they process and filter out most of the things in the water. And on the tail end of it, come on, focus. On the tail end of it, you see there's 5 leaves on the tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the one in the middle, and then pull on it. Pull on it. There. See? And now you have a clean crawfish. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of the crawfish. So one of the subscriber named Alonzo Mayor, he suggested I use this to do the crab boil. Zartaring or Zartaring, I don't know, whatever that thing is. Basically, this is another crab boil sauce. And let's try this out. Ooh, water's boiling pretty good. 1 scoop. Oh, dang. 2 scoop, I think that's enough because I don't have too much crayfish. This bottle is good for a total 40 to 45 pounds of crayfish. Oh, gee. Now let me add the corn. I think this will be good for now. Some room for the crayfish. And cook it too. Okay, the soup is ready. It's boiling. Put the crawfish in. Yeah, cook that for 5 minutes. Once that's done, turn off the fire and let it sit for 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Woo. Look at this. Ooh. Alright, look at this. Woo. Oh yeah, so hot. Oh my god, so hot, so hot. Oh yeah. Oh, this sauce is pretty good. Oh yeah, this sauce is good. You can actually taste the crawfish, like sweetness of the crawfish. Like it's super fresh, and the spice goes well together with this. Mmm. Terrible. Oh, the crawfish baby had died. Shoot. I failed. So I saved 2 of the smaller crayfish. I'm gonna throw in a watermelon skin to feed them. They share like that too.